And if you know the lyrics and you can sing along, clap your hands and pat your feet until it's time to go. We hope you all enjoy the Bird and I Show. Yeah, out in the barn, we're in the barn, we're in the barn. The Bird and I Show has been moved to the barn. You know, the wife told us the other day, said, y'all guys, y'all worse than a bunch of animals in here in this house. And I tell you what, if y'all don't straighten out, I'm going to move you to the barn. Well, we did straighten out, and you see what the wife's done to us. I'd like to welcome everybody tonight to the Bird and I Show. I want to take just a minute to tell you guys, Bird is sick. Bird's, you know, he's got the flu, and he's just not able to make it tonight. So that's not the bird flu. It's just Bird got the flu. So there for a minute when he first called me, I thought the bird flu. I'd heard about it, but I hadn't never seen him this sick. But he's getting better. He's just on the mends and stuff, and not able to sing and stuff like that. So we're gonna wish Bird out there a speedy recovery so we can get back. And I just want to take a few minutes to thank everybody that's tuned in to the Bird and I Show over these months. You know, we appreciate you. We appreciate you taking the time out of your Saturday to sit down to spend a few minutes with the Bird and I Show. And we thank the people that's just coming in. If you've not seen the Bird and I Show, welcome. We just a bunch of guys sitting around and making music, and every now and then we'll have a few people come in that some of our friends, some of our musicians just come in and sit around and jam with us and play with us. We just have a good time. We like bluegrass and gospel and country, and we play a little bit of everything. But again, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I tell you, if you've not joined us on YouTube, join us on YouTube at 8 o'clock every Saturday night. We try to get this thing rolling, and click subscribe. And the more we build this channel, we'll start sending out notifications and just all kinds of stuff. We got some different things coming towards the spring. We got some groups coming in, and we still got more special guests that's wanting to get in here, and we're trying to get this thing rolling, and I look forward to it. I'm really excited about this. Tonight, I'm going to put together some stuff that different ones of different shows we've done, just kind of a hodgepodge, as you would say, of our different shows over, and just do a little segment tonight on some of our stuff. And tune in, guys. And like I said, I appreciate it. If you got somebody to share this video to, go ahead and share the nice video and get it out there to some more people. The more we can reach out there, the more we love it. We enjoy spreading our music, and we enjoy it. Again, we enjoy you. We appreciate you. We appreciate every one of you that's come in and watched us. It took your time again to enjoy the Bird and I Show. So sit back tonight and enjoy the Bird and I Show. Hey guys, welcome back to the Bird and I Show. Tonight, Bird and I, we're going to call this the
All Original Special Part 1.
Yeah, All Original Special Part 1. And tonight, these are songs that I wrote. And we're going to do all my originals. I'm going to do one that you've probably heard, but I'm going to do one that nobody's heard yet. It's really the debut tonight of it. And Bird does a great job singing it with me, and we're going to kind of get it out there. And either way, either one of them, let us know what you think. Where you like the song. If you don't like the song, I got tough skin. It don't matter. I'll just delete you and block you from my Facebook. It don't matter. I wouldn't do that, guys. But yeah, just kind of let us know. Bear with us. Like I said, this is all just put together on a whim and just sitting around trying to get this done. But yeah, but part 1 of our segment, Bird and I.
All Original Special Part 1.
All right, so let's see. Normally a fiddle kicks us off, but I ain't got a fiddle.
Banjo.
I got a banjo. I guess we're going to have a banjo kick off. The mountains were the sweetest thing. across the mountain. Life's a path through all the things the heart can find. All the flowers are blooming, and the honeysuckle growing on the vine. And now my heart is overflowing, 'cause that sweet mountain darling, blue-eyed darling, is mine. My sweet little blue-eyed mountain darling. And I knew it from the first time I saw her smiling face. The mountains grew the sweetest of things, and the long mountain flowers, blue-eyed darling, took the place. All those mountain flowers, blue-eyed darling, took the place. This is a song that it's about me growing up. You know, I grew up in the mountains, and especially of the western mountains, North Carolina, up in the Blue Ridge Mountains, and back in around Ashe County and stuff. Grew up on the river and stuff up through there, and this is kind of a song about that. And this is called Mountain Dream. All right, go ahead, Bert. Well, I woke up early this morning, saying I had a lot of things on my mind. I was thinking all about my sweet childhood, like the mountains, the rivers, and the pines. About all those dirt roads I traveled, and how life's path has led me this way. Just me and my old guitar, and my memories, and the mountains seem so far away. As I sat up in bed, my head was pounding, my eyes were blurry and not focused yet. But in my mind I could see things so clearly, Mom and Dad in the old home place there. I could see me out running barefoot through the long rows of our tobacco fields. Just me and my old guitar, my memories, and the old home up there in those hills. As I stood up, I realized I was crying, thinking back on those old childhood days, and how some things just don't feel the same now, since my dear Mom and Dad passed away. And the old home place fades from my memories as the morning light shines in my eyes. It's me and my old guitar, and my memory will keep coming back time after time. Just me and my old guitar, my memories will keep coming back time after time. Section original part 1.
Yeah.
Well, this is originals part
2.
Last week was the I section. Today is going to be
the bird section.
The bird section. Yeah, this is tell us a little bit about these songs, Bird. These are songs you originally wrote, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
First one I wrote for my wife, and she's actually the only person that's ever heard it.
Oh,
So,
wow. The debut today.
the debut to this one, everybody's going to get to hear.
I'm excited.
Yeah, well, I hope my wife's listening. I'm sure she'll enjoy it. But we got that one, and then we got one more, but I'll tell you about that in a minute. We're going to do this one first. It's called The Girl of My Wildest Dreams. My next one, it's called This House Is Just So Empty Without You. Okay. I wrote it a pretty good while ago. I was working and I was riding around with somebody and it just came to my head and I said, man, that sounds pretty good. So I wrote it down and I debuted that one on the old Facebook about a month or so ago. And people seem to enjoy that one, so I'm going to bring it back. We're going to do it one more time. All right. This house is just so empty without you. I don't know what I am gonna do. And I've tried to get some sleep, but you know I can't get no sleep. This house is just so empty without you. For
sweet until it's time to go. We hope you all enjoy the Bird and I Show.
All right, guys. Until
Thank you.
next week.
Next week.